Have you ever made mistake while speaking English and then thought English is not for me? Have you ever felt embarrassed at yourself when someone corrected you? If yes, then this video is for you because I'm gonna talk about your mistakes. Your mistakes are not your weakness. They are your biggest strength. So watch this video till the end. I'm gonna explain all the thing about your mistakes, like why it is important for you to do mistake in your journey while learning this language. So guys, what's happening with the beginner? There are a lot of beginners quit their journey of learning English language because not because they are bad, not because they are just like they are not able, because they are afraid of making mistakes. Whenever they are just like speaking wrong grammar, they feel ashamed. Whenever someone correct their mistakes, they feel broken. And whenever they feel they can't speak fluently, they feel useless. This is all happening with them, and they after these incidents, they are just thinking like, I'm broken, I'm totally broken, and I'm useless. I can't do this, and I can't learn this language, and I'll never ever speak this language because I'm unable to speak this language, to learn this language. So guys, this is all happening with the all beginners, and it might be happening with you all. Because of that, you are just thinking you have those type of mindset, and because of that, you are like fearing, and you are scared totally about your journey, about this language, about learning this. What will happen if I would not speak English? What will happen if I will not succeed in this language? Then everybody will laugh at me. Because of that, that is the biggest problem of yours. When I started my journey of English speaking, when I started my journey to learn this language and becoming a fluent speaker, at that time I had a dream and I have a desire to learn this language and speak this language fluently and without hesitating and confidently. Okay, these type of things I just started and I had in my beginning stage when I started to learn this language. So listen my friend, when I started this journey, then after I used to make a lot of mistakes at that time. Just listen carefully. I am also like you, and you are still in your beginning phase. And when I was in my beginning phase, at that time I used to make a lot of mistakes. Guys, let's just try to understand. It is happening with every beginners, and I have also faced all the problems whatever you are just facing this time. So listen, at the time I was making mistakes. One time somebody who just like commented on my speaking, and they were just like they were speaking again and again on my pronunciation, on my accent when I was just speaking and when I was just learning English language. At the time I hurt a lot after hearing those things. They had been commenting on my pronunciation, on my speaking, on my accent at the time. Because of that, I hurt most at the time. So listen my friend, instead of quitting, instead of like going back from that stage, I just started and I decided that I'll improve and I'll become master in this thing. Whatever they are just like commenting to me, and like they are just laughing at myself. At the time they were just making a lot of like fun of me. And the time, like instead of like quitting, instead of going back, and instead of like regretting on myself, I decided that I'll improve that and I'll learn properly and I will become fluent in this language. And one day I'll show them like who I am, and one day I will speak better than them. Okay, now I'm totally confident, and now I have learned this language and I'm speaking. Just suppose guys, if I had quit that day, then I wouldn't be here and speak with you and talk with you today here. Okay, so just imagine that, bro. And just imagine guys how it is important for you all to not quitting and just accept your mistakes while learning this language, because these all are a parts of our journey, are like improving day by day. And I always suggest to you all, like just don't worry about your mistakes, like how much mistakes you are doing. It doesn't matter my friend in your beginning, because you are a learner and you are just trying to learn this language from the scratch. Okay, so it is quite obvious for you all that you'll make mistakes, so you don't need to be worry about that, and just like focus on the process and don't wait for the perfection. Like there are a lot of beginners who are just thinking when I'll get perfect, then after I'll start speaking, then after I'll start improving. So that's the wrong way, and that's the wrong mindset. You don't need to do like that. Just focus on your process, focus on your practice, focus on your improving day by day. The more you will do practice, the more you will feel confident, and the more you will become a fluent speaker in this language, because English language only demands practice. And I always tell in my every videos that the more you will do practice, the more you will feel confident, guys. And just try to do practice as much as possible for you, and just try to find and just try to grab all the situation and all the wherever you can do practice, just go and just do practice. That's it. Let me tell you honestly something, like every speaker you admire today, this time, and you are just you have been watching that native speaker, and you are just enjoying while listening to that speaker, and you are learning something from a speaker. That speaker was once a beginner with full of mistakes, and he had been doing a lot of mistakes in his beginning days. And you should try to understand his struggles, his working, and his hard work behind that fluency, behind that that type of knowledge. You should try to understand the hard work behind that confidence, like the way the speaker is just speaking this time, and you are just admiring again and again every speaker. So try to realize and just try to understand, guys, that speaker was once a beginner like you. He had been doing a lot of mistakes in his beginning day. Okay, so that's all about those speakers. And guys, now I'm gonna tell you the reason behind that, why every beginners they are quitting to learn this language. Why? There are almost 3 reasons behind that, and now I'm gonna tell you, and now I'm gonna explain you 3 one by one. The first one, it is called fear of judgment. Yes, so let me explain all the thing. Like what's happening with the beginner, they are just thinking, and they are just too worried about the other people. They are just thinking what other people will say about myself, about me, when I'll start speaking, and when I'll do practice, and when they will see myself to do practice, and when they will see to me like I'm doing something extraordinary in my life, then they will say what they will say. They every time they are just thinking about the other people, about others' opinion. Every time they are just thinking others perspective. They are every time they are just thinking others opinion, what they will say. And if I'll make mistake, then everybody will laugh at me, and they will make fun of me every time. Then what will happen, and how I'll handle that situation, and how every time, and every people will laugh at me. And what I will do in that situation, and I will stuck at the time, because is this time I'm not fluent, and I'm unable, and this time I'm just making a lot of mistakes. Yes, definitely they will make a lot of fun to me, and they will laugh at me. It is definitely, and that is the first reason behind that, why beginners are just quitting, and why they are just stopping their journey to learn this language. That is the biggest reason of every beginners. They are just thinking. Okay, so that was all the thing about they are just what they have a fear of being judged. That was all about this. So let's talk about the second reason. The second reason is about comparing themselves. So let me tell you what does it mean, and how it is happening with every beginners. They are just thinking, and they are just comparing their self with that person who is just already fluent in this language, and who is just already speaking too well, and who is just feeling so confident in this language while speaking. And they are just thinking like this, and what's happening with them. So listen carefully. They are just comparing their self. And but listen, they are at one day, but they are just comparing their self with that person who is just already crossed 5 years. Because of that, he is just totally confident, and he is just fluent in this language, and he just speaking too well. And the beginners who just trying to learn this language, at the time the beginners start comparing their self with that person who is just already fluent in this language, and who has a lot of knowledge about this language, and who is just speaking too well. And because of that comparing, because of that reason, they are just feeling so underconfident. They are just feeling so underconfident because of that. That people who just already know everything, that people knows everything else. about this language. And because of that, they're every time they are just like comparing their self. Every beginners, they are just talking like this, and they are just thinking why I'm just making a lot of mistakes, and the second person who just like speaking too well about this language, and how I'll do and how I'll accept and how I'll gain those things whatever that speaker just speaking. Okay, that was the second reason behind that quitting every beginners. They will think properly and they will think continuously until they will get the right fluency, and until they will get the confident like that people. Okay, so that's all about the second thing. And then let's talk about the third thing. Third thing is about like expecting result too early. Like what's happening with them, like whenever they are just like starting their journey, and like I'm just talking about every beginners, and I'm just talking about my journey. At the time when I started, I was just thinking like this, and I was just expecting too early results from my journey, and I was just thinking I want quick result, because I'm just doing practice, and they are just thinking I'll get my fluency under 1 month, and I'll get my fluency 30 days, 40 days, 60 days, like this. They are just thinking, and they have these type of things, and they are just thinking I'll get definitely fluency in such a period of time. Okay, they are just thinking, and they are just expecting a lot of result. They are just expecting a big result in this particular period of time, and they are just thinking because of that they have heard from where these kind of things, and they are just thinking I'll get definitely this kind of fluency in under 1 month, 2 months. But listen my friend, English language, it is not like that, and you can't learn this language fluently, and you can't speak this language under 1 month. You will have to invest your time, and you will have to devote yourself for this language. Otherwise there is no any shortcut for this language, and you will have to definitely invest your a lot of time. Just remember this, and don't try to expect early result for this language. You can't be fluent in this language in only 1 month. Okay, so because of that, just try to remember all the things. So guys, that's all about that. What I'm just trying to tell you that, and what I'm trying to understand you all, what I'm trying to make you all understand about this language, you should not think like that, and you should not compare yourself, and don't look, and don't go for the quick result, and just stop comparing yourself, and just try to be aware from all the mistakes, like whatever I have been doing, and whatever I have been speaking in this particular video. Okay, so that's all about that, and I hope you have understand all the thing whatever I just wanted to tell you all. So guys, that's all for today, and these kind of things I had in my mind, and I just wanted to share with you all. Okay, so, and I have explained all the thing in this video, and I hope you will follow this thing, and I hope you will do this kind of things. And so that's all for today, so take care, bye bye.